wanted to take a few minutes to explain how to submit work into British literature. So in this class, you will see that all of the assignments are going to be given as all Dropbox assignments will be given as a Google Doc. So to access those assignments, you're going to have to go into the course content like I just hit, and then you're going to go to the folder in which the assignments are placed. So in order to really streamline everything to make it less confusing, the number of the assignment will always be coordinated with the number of the folder. So for example, 4.1 Heroes and Villains assignment will always coordinate with the 4.1 Heroes and Villain folder. 4.2 will coordinate with Quiz 4.2. So you will go to get to Dropbox assignments, you're going to click the folder, and then right before the Dropbox, you're going to see assignment. Here you're going to see the assignment and then the number and then the title of the assignment. You will click that link. Click the link. You're going to see the Google Doc in front of you. You are not going to request to edit this document because if you edit this document, you will edit it for everybody to be able to see. So you're going to hit File, make a copy, and then hit OK. Now you're going to have a Gmail account. I won't be able to see your Gmail account when you use these Google Docs, but you will need to have a Google account set up so you can open these documents. If you are adamantly opposed to using Google Docs, you can always use File, Download As, and then you can download it as Microsoft Word. But I really suggest using the Google Doc because it will automatically save your work and you won't lose it. So at the end of an assignment, if say your computer crashes, if you have it saved on a Google Doc, your assignment will be saved. So the excuse my computer broke down will not be accepted in this class because this is given as an option and all the assignments are provided this way. So now that you've made a copy of your assignment, you'll just fill out your information. So like, for example, let's pretend I've completed this whole assignment. When you're done, you're going to hit Share, Get Shareable Link, change Can View to Can Comment, copy link, then you're going to go back into the classroom. Go back into the course content, and you're going to hit the Dropbox. Now this part's very important. You need to have some sort of file or something. You can use a blank document, you can use a picture, but you just need to have something that you can use to upload to your Dropbox, and then you're going to copy and paste the link into your comment section, and then you'll hit Submit. And that way I will be able to access your document. If you do not have this equals sharing at the end of your link, then you did it wrong. You need to make sure that you are using the shareable link. If you copy and paste this link up here, I will not be able to access your document. So please make sure that you hit share and then hit the copy link so you get that shareable link. Okay, do not email it to me. You need to make sure it is submitted through the Dropbox. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.